Hey guys, welcome to our event today. We're just gonna wait a couple more minutes to see if there's anyone else gonna join. And thank you guys for joining today to our little presentation. And let me know if you guys can hear me okay.
Loud and clear. All good.
Nice. Nice. How are you guys doing today? Hope everyone's having a good morning. Nice. Where's everyone from? So we're in New Jersey right now, and it is exactly 10. Illinois. Nice. We got Vegas. Virginia, Florida. Oh, Princeton. A lot of people from Florida. Joseph is from Princeton. We're in Princeton too, so that's actually crazy. Maybe you guys can come visit in Princeton. About 26 people. Minnesota. We got someone from all over the states. A lot of people from Florida, though. Dallas. Nice. I love Texas. Petrol. All right, cool. Let's get started. So, welcome everyone. My name is Jay, and I am from Pionex. And today we're basically just going to go over three things. So, just a quick summary. We're going to go over how you can make more Bitcoins with our Ethereum Bitcoin trading bot. And the second thing we're going to go over is basically our event that is going on right now. You can make one coin, and we're going to choose a winner randomly. So participate in that if you do want a chance to win that Bitcoin. And then lastly, we're just going to do a Q&A. If you guys have any questions for me, I can go over some charts. I do research as well as trading here at Pionex. So yeah, that is our agenda for today. So let's get started. Cool. So how to earn Bitcoin from the recent volatility. So just a quick introduction about Pionex. I know we have some new users here who haven't used our platform before. So basically, we are a global exchange, and we provide 11 free trading bots in the US. So we have one of the lowest trading fees in the US. We actually have a 0.05% on Ethereum and 0.1% on all other coins. So we are actually based in Princeton, New Jersey, and I think we're available in 40 states now, not 36, because we just got Vegas, and I forgot another one. We just got some other state. I forgot which one, but Connecticut also. So I think we're around 40 states. We're already regulated in 40 states, and more to come. So yeah, quick little intro about us. So here is the Ethereum Bitcoin grid trading bot. This is actually the result from one of our users. So his initial investment was 0.5 Bitcoins. And then within 1 month time, he was actually able to earn 0.15 Bitcoins. So a 30% profit. Now, this bot denominates your profit in Bitcoin. So these are for the people who really only want to keep their money in crypto and you just want to keep on stacking Bitcoins. And that's how you calculate your profits, right? If you want to make money in USD, you can use USD denominated pair, but this spot is specific for those people who just want to keep on stacking Bitcoins for the next bull run. And I know there's a lot of crypto native people that is interested in doing that. So on the right side is another Ethereum Bitcoin grid trading bot that was open for around a little over 2 years. And the initial investment was 2 Bitcoins. And this user returned 2.8 Bitcoin. So he was able to more than double his investment in Bitcoins. So we're not even calculating profit in USD. So whatever Bitcoin's worth now, he just has 2 more of Bitcoins, right? And that's what I'm guessing you guys are joining today to see, that you guys want to make more Bitcoins with your investment. So before we take a look at the strategy, so I know some people are new, so you guys might not know what the Ethereum Bitcoin pair is. So I'm just going to go over that really quickly. So the Ethereum Bitcoin trading pair, all it means is that your trading is denominated in Bitcoins. So basically, if you look at the top, it says Ethereum Bitcoin, and then the price next to it is 0.067623, whatever it is, right? All it means is that you're able to buy this amount of Bitcoin per 1 Ethereum. So that's all. So that's all that means, right? So if this price goes up, if this ratio goes up, that means the Ethereum price is going up or Bitcoin price is going down because you can afford more Bitcoins per Ethereum. So it's just a ratio between Ethereum and Bitcoin, and that's all it is. So basically, if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, this ratio goes up. If Bitcoin outperforms Ethereum, then this ratio goes down. And that is what basically drives the changes in this trading pair. So if you take a look at the chart of Ethereum Bitcoin over the past 4 years, it's usually trading within this sideways range before breaking up higher. From 2019 to 2022, it's been in a steady uptrend. So that means Ethereum has been steadily outperforming Bitcoin for the past 3 years, basically. And our grid trading bot basically takes advantage of this because so let's say you are putting in Bitcoin or USD initially, that means you are selling a portion of your Bitcoin for Ethereum. And as Ethereum price, so this ratio right here, as this ratio goes up, it is selling that Ethereum for Bitcoin, which means you are stacking more Bitcoin as prices go up. So this is basically the type of scenario that you want to be in to use the grid trading bot for the Ethereum and Bitcoin pair. And as you can see, when prices go sideways as well, you will be buying Bitcoin, or you will be buying Ethereum when this ratio comes down. But as this ratio goes up, you will be selling the Ethereum for Bitcoin. So it's just this up and down motion, up and down over and over again. This bot will be trading for you. So on the way down, it is buying Ethereum with your Bitcoin. But then when this ratio goes up, which it has for the past 3 years, it will be selling those Ethereum for more Bitcoin. So that is how basically our user was able to increase his portfolio of 2 Bitcoins to 4 Bitcoins over in the past 2 years. So if you guys have any questions, we can go over it. I can go over the grid trading bot as well. But first, I guess I'll go over how this is created. So if you go to our app and under bot, I will actually show you guys on my platform. So if you go on the platform, so I'm on the web page, right? So homepage, and then over here you can go to trade, and then you have to find the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. So after you open the watch list through this little icon over here, all you have to type in, actually, you can just go to the Bitcoin tab. So if you go to this Bitcoin tab, it means everything is denominated in Bitcoin. So the first one that pops up is actually the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, because this is the most popular one. So you can see this is a chart that we were just looking at. So if you want to create a great trading bot, the one we were talking about that was able to return 2 Bitcoin in profit, all you have to do is come over here to the right side. And this is the AI strategy that was on the last PowerPoint. So if you want to use the AI strategy, so all the AI is doing is basically setting these parameters for you. All you have to do is type in the amount that you want to invest. And that is it. All you have to do is just type in what you want to invest, press create. And then here the bot is showing you the asset allocations for you and the parameters. And all you have to do is press confirm if you want to create it. Right. All right. So let's go back over here. So basically on the app is a little different. It actually has more choices. So on the app with the AI, which is this screen right here, you can choose 7-day, 30-day, or 180-day. This just means that the AI is looking back this amount of time and then determining the best parameters for you to set in that taking into consideration that history data for the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. And then obviously if you use a 7-day, it's a very short period, and it's only good for, I guess, 7 to 20 days because it's looking back such a short amount of time. And if you look back 30 days, the bot is probably going to be working for 30 to 50 days. And if you look back 180 days, so this is for the long-term holders, and usually what we recommend, then the bot is probably good within those parameters for like the next half year or a year or so. So that's the easy way of creating it. You can also set your own parameters. I can go over it later if you guys have any questions about that. So before you start it, this bot will make you more Bitcoin only if Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. So if you want to be making the kind of profits in this screenshot over here, like our user, you want to have Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. So the worst case is the bot will keep on buying Ethereum with your Bitcoin. So in this case, you're going to be stacking Ethereum instead, which some of you could want, but most people want to be stacking Bitcoin. So that is the one caveat of this strategy. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can put it in the chat and I will take a look at it. And so before that, I'll also show you guys the chart. Give me 1 second. So for example, right, like the chart we showed you before, this is the chart of Ethereum Bitcoin. As what you want to be basically looking at is if Ethereum and Bitcoin, the trading pair, is just trading within this sideways range. So you want to be starting the bot basically somewhere at the bottom of the range, because if you started a bot right here, which is where our user started the Ethereum Bitcoin bot, when Ethereum was outperforming due to the merge news, this is how he basically made the 0.15 extra Bitcoin. So 30% extra in Bitcoins with his initial investment. If you're buying up here, the Bitcoin might outperform Ethereum, or Ethereum might drop more than Bitcoin in the recent time period. So, this ratio could come back down to here. So you always want to be starting the bot in the middle or towards the bottom of these trading ranges. And if you go back, right, there's multiple scenarios of this. So this is from 2020 to 2021. Same thing. It trades in this tight range before breaking out to the upside. So, I mean, as I've shown you guys, in the past 3 years, Ethereum Bitcoin trading pair has been going up because Ethereum has been outperforming just the overall trend right now. So, this is why this is a pretty safe bot if you want to just be increasing your Bitcoins. And just a quick introduction also. This is our event right now. So, if you start a Ethereum Bitcoin miner bot, you have a chance. You basically automatically enter with a chance of winning 1 Bitcoin. Uh, we will choose the winner randomly. So you have to be a Pionex.us user, and you have to create a new. So you can't have this open already. You have to create a new Ethereum Bitcoin grid bot with the AI strategy. And the time frame is basically August 15th to September 15th. And basically, through all the eligible users, we will just choose 1 user to receive 1 Bitcoin as reward. 5 will receive 0.01 Bitcoins, and 30 will receive 0.001 Bitcoins. And there's actually, and so for new users, so you just register, you never traded before, you can create a Bitcoin miner bot, and we'll actually send you $20 in Bitcoin as well. And if you invite your friends and they also deposit money and create a trading bot, you will get another $20 in Bitcoin per valid invite. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I can definitely answer them now. Let's see. Starting. How much you be earning per month if you start a bot with 50? So it's all based on the percentages, right? If you start, it depends what kind of bot you're using as well. If you are starting a specifically, like we talked about, you're starting a Bitcoin Ethereum trading bot, there is no set amount you're going to earn because this is specifically for earning Bitcoins. So if you want to earn USD, you can use the other trading bots. I'll show you an example right here. So for example, this sample bot started with $100 60 days ago, and it's up 7%, right? So but this one's based in USD, so it made $7 or $8 based off of 100, so 8% in 2 months, which isn't bad. But of course, so for this one, the Ethereum USD bot, right? So this one started with a $300 investment, and it's already up 48% in 2 months. So it just depends on which trading pair. Obviously, it depends on which trading pair you're using and when you are entering with the bots. What is the minimum for Ethereum Bitcoin bot? What is the minimum? Let's see. We can just go to it right now, actually. If you type in 0, minimum investment is 0.001823 Bitcoins. So if you want to run a calculator, let's see. 0.001823 times, what is it, 23,000 right now? So 41 investment currently. So what exactly does the bot do? So yes, the bot basically trades in and out of the coin for you. So let's take a look at these lines. So basically, if you see these lines, these are all buy orders. This is the Ethereum USD bot, but the Ethereum Bitcoin bot works the same way, but it's just the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. So all these green lines are buy orders, and all the red lines are sell orders. And this range, you can set yourself where you want the bot to be trading for you, or you can use the AI parameters like we talked about. So in this scenario, I started the bot around 1,000. This screen doesn't show you all the orders because then it'd be too crowded. So basically, it was selling on the way up, buying on the way down, selling on the way up, and then buying whenever the prices dip. So it's just trading inside of that range for you. But if prices go up, it's selling your in this example, it's selling your Ethereum for USD. But in the example of the Ethereum Bitcoin bot, it's selling the overpriced Ethereum for Bitcoin. So you're taking profits in Bitcoin. So it's trading in and out of the pair for you. And you guys, there is a fee that you pay, but it's very low. It's at 0.1%. So that's one of the lowest fees in the United States right now. I believe Coinbase charges like 0.5 or something crazy like that. Do we plan on releasing a platform that has AI capabilities? So we do not have current plans to release it on the stock market because we need different licensing for that. They are very strict with licensing. So we are actually trying to get licensing to release derivative products like futures, margin, options on our platform in the US. So that when that's released, you guys can look out for that. So that's a very popular feature that everybody basically wants. Can you cancel? Okay, hold on. Let's see. How does a grid bot compare to the DCA bot? So the DCA bot, it doesn't. There's two DCA bots. So if you're talking about just the pure DCA bot, all the DCA bot is doing is buying for you at periodic times. So let's say it's buying 1 Ethereum for you every month. So it's just averaging you down. You never sell. So the bot never sells for you. All you're doing is stacking your Ethereum, but you're using your own money to go buy it. So it's not really trading for you, right? You're just kind of averaging in. So the grid bot, it's buying and selling for you. So in the example, we're using right now, let me see, let me just show you. So the grid bot, right? The grid bot actually makes profits for you because it's trading for you in and out of the pair. The DCA bot, it will make profits for you technically because you're just holding Ethereum. But if prices go down, you're down. If prices go up, you're up. Like for example, this Bitcoin grid bot I have had open. I actually started this bot when it was when Bitcoin was around like 23,000. And obviously prices are at 23,423 right now, but I'm already up 7% because the grid bot was buying when prices were going lower and selling when prices were going up. And when it goes sideways, this bot was also trading for me as well. So without the grid bot, if you were just DCAing or holding, you'd probably be up maybe like 0.5%, but instead I'm up 7.8%. Can you cancel the bot at any time? You can cancel the bot whenever you want. There's no set time frame. All you have to do is come over here, press stop the bot, and that is it. You guys have full control over what your bots do. Can we deposit Ethereum? We already have. You can deposit. Yeah, you guys can deposit whatever you want. You guys can deposit debit card through USD, wire transfer. Let me see. Wire transfer, and you guys can just deposit crypto. So all you got to do is go to your wallet, go to deposit. If you want to deposit crypto, you can just choose whichever one you want to deposit: Ethereum, ERC20, BSC, HE. You just got to choose your chains and stuff like that. With a bot like this, what would be the best profit per grid for the BTC miner bot? BTC miner bot. So for the Bitcoin miner bot, if you want to participate in the event, I believe it's AI only, right? So if you want to participate in the event of trying to get the reward of the 1 Bitcoin, you have to use the AI strategy. I would suggest using the one on the app, and I would probably use like a 30-day or 180-day back test. But if you don't care about that and you just want to create the grid bot, let's see what I would do. So what I usually do with the grid bots is find support and resistance, right? So for this Ethereum Bitcoin pair, I can see that support has been for the past year at around 0.05, and then the top resistance around 0.09. So I usually like to give it a little bit of room of just for it to move around, because it might break out. Ethereum might outperform by a lot. So we can actually go over that in a bit. So put in your lower and then the upper bound that you believe that they will be trading in, and then you just enter the amount of grids. So you can just test this out. If you put 50, that's around a 1% profit to 3% profit per grid trade. So that's a little high, but that's not bad, because you want to basically balance the profit per grid versus how many times it's transacting, right? So let's see. So if you put in 100 grids, it'll be between. So if you look under here, right here, you will be getting a 0.5% profit to a 1.4% profit. So this is pretty good. So I would use around like 80 to 100 grids. And then obviously you just want to input like how much balance you want to use, and then just press create the bot. So basically I would do like anywhere between a 0.6 to a 2% profit per grid, and that's in general like what I try to go for. So we don't have that much time today, but if you guys actually want to have more questions answered, you can book a one-on-one call with our staff. So all you have to do is just go to the Pionex website and to go to the homepage by clicking on Pionex. And then under here, it says a 15-minute free one-on-one learning call. So you guys can just click on that and choose a time you want to book a call with me or one of the other Pionex staff. And we will answer all the questions you have and whatever you guys want to know. So yeah, so you guys can definitely book that. Let's see. Celsius is also stable for a long time. Do we need to transfer assets to your account, or they're stored in our wallet? So you guys can talk about that on a one-on-one chat. So Celsius, the problem with Celsius, right? Celsius loaned out your money. Once their agreement was, if you transfer crypto under their platform, they can loan it out for you, right? We don't do anything with your crypto. If you transfer money into your Pionex wallet, like, it stays there, sits there. We don't use it. That's one of our policies. We don't touch your funds. We don't use it. We don't trade it. We don't loan it out. We don't do anything of that sort. So there will never be a Celsius situation where someone has a liquidity problem and doesn't pay us back, because we don't loan out your crypto. Like, your crypto is in your wallet. So I hope that answers your question. So just to go over, we only have a couple minutes left. So just to go over some recent trends in the crypto market. So I think everyone who is here might know Ethereum has a merge coming up, basically moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And that is happening in September, sometime in September. It's estimated in September 15th, I think. So like basically 1 month from now. And that's going to be causing a lot of volatility, because things might go wrong. So some people have basically said that it's kind of like a triple halvening compared to the Bitcoin halvening. So there will be a deflationary, because there's no more miners, right? Because Ethereum is going from proof of work to proof of stake. There's going to be no more mining rewards, only staking rewards, and that's going to be paid out in fees. And the issuance of Ethereum, basically the rewards from mining to staking, is going to drop 90%. So people have basically said this is like Bitcoin halvening. So Bitcoin rewards getting halved times 3. So a lot of people have been saying this is going to drive up the Ethereum price, because basic supply and demand, right? As supply goes down and demand stays the same, price goes up. So this type of scenario is actually very good for the Ethereum Bitcoin bot, because if Ethereum goes through the merge successfully, and as Ethereum supply comes down, it will drive the price up. And in this case, when Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, more your bot, the bot you start, will be selling your Ethereum for more Bitcoin as prices go up, and you will be gaining lots and lots of Bitcoin as profit. So that is one thing to come basically to look at. But of course, understand the risks. Ethereum have bounced from $1,000 to basically $2,000, doubling the price in the past month. So as that happens, Ethereum can very much have a pullback to support, because it's up, 100% since the bottom in July. And Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin, it's only up around 20% to 25%. So if Ethereum comes down, the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio can come down as well. So that is one risk to look for. Like I said before, you want to be starting the Ethereum Bitcoin bot near the middle of the trading range or the bottom to get the best entry, right? So let's revisit that chart. So as you can see, the Ethereum Bitcoin bot is at the top of the range right now. So it could have a pullback, let's say to midway, or it could come almost down to here to the bottom support. But of course, with the merge coming up, Ethereum prices could just spike up as well, and it could just totally break out of this range, right? Because there's a lot of bullish pressures on Ethereum. So with that said, I think we're ending it here. 10:30. Okay.
I also put a link, your market research link in the room chat. You could ask them to subscribe.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so if you guys want to read more, if you guys want to learn more about trading bots or the market in general, I write a weekly news article, and Dave here has put it in the chat. So it's free. If you guys want to subscribe, you guys can click that link and press subscribe. And I basically talk about what we talked about here today: best parameters for your trading bots. We talk about macro trends, technical analysis, some of the most important news in the market. I try to keep under 10 minutes because I know people are busy. So that's it. So we're going to wrap up today. Thank you guys for coming, and be sure to participate in the Pionex challenge, because who doesn't want one free Bitcoin, right? I know I'm definitely going to be creating a bot right now, actually. So yeah, thank you guys for coming, and be sure to book a one-on-one call if you guys have any further questions. Cool. I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day.